She said she was not paying me. You sit down and let me take your stuff off because you finna get out my chair. Sit down. She said she was not paying me.
I said
what?
I was paying.
No, you're not. You're not paying, so you gotta get out. Get out the chair. Get out the chair.
That is...
So we're getting a pack of this. Another pack of this. Y'all, and then we're gonna get this. We're gonna get 2 packs of these here. We probably just only need 1 though. I think I'm gonna get 1. So I got some more of this. I gotta settle with this for today. Y'all know I like my red. And she's getting this here. So let's see what we can come up with today, y'all. I'm excited.
My hair better be perfected.
You see what she's saying? This is the demand she's putting on me. But you know what I'm gonna do? See, worst client ever.
What are you talking about? I am...
No, not the worst. The most annoying, expensive client ever.
Wow.
Y'all, look at this right here. Look at this. This is how my client come in looking today. Tragic. This is what I gotta comb out and do before I put her plaits in. Do you have anything to say for yourself, ma'am?
I have... I don't know. I'm just a billionaire who's just getting her hair done. And
this is unacceptable. Look at this. This is how you show up to your braid appointment.
My hairstylist is doing the most right now.
Okay, and
Like,
that's an extra fee. That's an extra. This is an extra fee right here. Cause this right here, this is wasting my time. You know I got clients after you. What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know.
I tell you, let me get started on this, because this right here is just mad. Do not show up to your appointment ever again with your hair looking like this.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So we have got it all combed out. Look at this. This is so thick. Oh my God. I got my work cut out for me, but we finna go wash it and blow dry it out. But yes, this is what we got here. What do you have to say for yourself for all this hair?
I'm accomplished about having this much hair, and you know, can't wait to see when it gets dried out, you know.
Okay.
Do not come here because you got too much.
First of all, I do not. Don't you give me no low rating. Hi, ma'am. So we just got done doing your hair, and it looks pretty good. I like it. Turn around. Let the people see. Exactly. So, where you going on my TV?
I'm taking it.
Why are you taking it?
I need a new TV for my
Well, first and foremost, you owe me $5,000 for this hairdo.
$5,000. Okay. You just said $500.
Okay, well, $500, so you can give me that right now, or you can get out of my shop.
Okay, I'll get out of your shop.
With my TV?
Yes. Yes, I will.
Oh my God! Somebody come call the police, please. Look at her. She's running off.